Welcome to the first episode of Word on the Yard. I'm your host, Chi Chi. Today's Word on the Yard is voting. I'm here with my guest, Roxy Goodman. We're going to discuss this Word on the Yard today. How are you?
Doing good. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. Now, I just want to ask you a couple questions. My first question is, how important is voting to you?
Voting is very important because it's like once that you have the chance to voice your opinion, now it's being heard. So voting is very important.
Okay, and what does voting mean to you?
Well, voting, what it means to me is like a struggle. Well, I wouldn't say more of a struggle. Well, basically, a struggle that our ancestors fought for, and people who aren't taking it seriously should, because it was an effort being made so that us blacks can vote.
Okay, understandable. And have you voted already?
Of course.
Okay.
Yes.
So you did early voting, of course.
Yeah.
How beneficial was early voting for you?
It was very beneficial because I knew I wasn't going to have time on the 6th tomorrow. Well, the 6th. And that's why I did it ahead of time, so I wouldn't have to worry about it at the last minute like everybody else.
Okay, that's great. Now, would you mind sharing who you voted for?
That libertarian guy. No, I'm just kidding. Not just because he's legalizing. No, I voted for Obama.
Okay.
Of course.
And would you like to discuss why?
Uh,
Not because he's black, I hope.
No,
Okay,
because he's
go ahead.
mixed. No, I'm just kidding. No, I mean I vote for him because he's making an effort, and I really can't trust Romney because camera one. Sorry. Oh, sorry. I didn't vote for Romney because he was bashing at first, and now when it comes down to the debates, he really wasn't telling the truth. Like he was just saying stuff so that he can just win you over for that day, and then flip the script on you the next. They're not very honest, so.
Okay. And to your fellow Rams, would you like to leave them with a message on voting today?
Do it. Vote.
All right.
It's real.
All right, and there you have it. So Rams, get out there and vote on November 6th. Let your voice be heard. And that's the Word on the Yard.